Here is the finished results. We're gonna take a look at the corners, the edges. As you can see, very clean. Tints turned out very nice. 35 for a windshield, 5 on the sides, and then the rears we did 20 to match the fronts. Ceramic coated as well, so it gives it a nice gloss. Still got templates. That shows you my corner. As you can see, if it focuses, even in here, there is no steel showing. So when you open and close this, all this is protected. Vice versa. Every single corner edge is fully wrapped, so you can see no steel around the truck. Even wrapped it in here, underneath here, it's all fully wrapped. I did have to remove all this, as you guys saw in the video earlier. Besides that, overall trunk's pretty easy to work on. To remove things at first, it was a little challenging because there's no how-to videos. I actually did make some, so from here on out, whoever needs help, just watch those. And besides that, yeah, very happy. Ceramic coating makes it feel very slick. As you can see, very clean. This is just hairs from a towel. Besides that, I could show you how I trimmed it on the inside. As you can see, this is very clean install. Very clean. I cleaned it inside there as well. And, this car is causing a lot of traffic. So far I had like 5 people pull up and give compliments. So just like him. This is it. Full body STEK Miami blue PPF and a ceramic coating. XPEL tints all around. One piece on the front windshield. That was pretty hard to do actually, and it turned out pretty clean, pretty good. Overall, I'm very happy. It took my time, and this is our first one, and definitely not our last. I already have 2 more in the books later this year. One July, one probably in August or early September. And yeah, if you guys need any more work done, PPF, vinyl wraps, window tints, ceramic coatings, you could look us up. Just search up Chicago Ceramic Garage, and you can see our website, chicagoceramicgarage.com, as well. And yeah, I love doing this. This is therapeutic to me. I don't find it to be anything close to work. To me, it's a hobby, so I like to take my time. And overall, I'm very pleased with the results, and I can assure you every CYBERTRUCK we do will look just like this in terms of quality of work. Besides that, that's it. On to the next one. Peace.